Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome back to Physics Mathematics Hub. I am Sajid Alam. Today we will solve the sixth problem from the 10th class physics book KP boards. So here is the problem. Numerical question 6. The distance between successive crests in a series of water waves is 4 meters, and the crests travel 9 meters in 4.5 seconds. What is the frequency of the waves? First, let's note what we have. The distance between two successive crests is the wavelength, which is denoted by lambda and is equal to 4 meters. The distance covered by the wave, denoted by d, is equal to 9 meters, and the time taken by the wave is equal to 4.5 seconds. We have to find the frequency of the water waves. So let's start solving. To find the frequency, we use the universal wave equation, which is v is equal to f lambda, where v is speed of the wave, f is frequency, and lambda is the wavelength of the wave. Solving it for frequency, we have f is equal to v divided by lambda. Let this is equation 1. We know that v is equal to the total distance covered divided by the total time taken. So plugging this formula, v is equal to d divided by t in equation 1. We get f is equal to d divided by t into lambda. Plugging the values, we get f is equal to 9 meters divided by 4.5 seconds multiplied by 4 meters. After simplification, we get f is equal to 2 divided by 4 second, which is equal to 1.5 hertz. Therefore, the frequency of the wave is 1.5 hertz, which is the required answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Physics Mathematics Hub for more such videos. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.